Introducing the Nightscape Dash Camera from Yi Technology. Powerful night vision recording, capacitor dashcam design. With a large 2.4-inch LCD screen. Simple setup means it's ready to go in 5 minutes or less. Once you start the car's engine, it begins recording, so it's ready to go when you are. Record exceptionally detailed footage in crystal clear 1080p, and with a 140-degree field of view, you can cover 3 lanes of traffic. High-quality Sony imaging sensor means you also capture colorful images with all the details. Minimize the potential for human error while driving with the Nightscape Dash camera. Wide dynamic range algorithm overcomes the issue of dimness and overexposure. The Yi Nightscape Dash camera helps make the safety of you and your passengers the #1 priority. This is the smartest dash camera on the road, the Nightscape Dash camera from Yi Technology.
Document your journey with a non-traditional car dash cam. Introducing Surveil, loaded with features to keep you safe. And document your journey in high-resolution 1080p. Download apps from the Google Play Store without using your phone.
Direction to Malibu.
Run your favorite GPS navigation with voice commands. Record your speed, location, and time with a touchscreen. Add the rear camera for dual camera display. A G sensor prevents collisions and auto records. Use GPS tracker to find your car. Get up-to-date traffic. Supports Bluetooth 3G wireless. Get real-time positioning. Play your favorite music and make phone calls. Document everything. Day or night, high resolution with expandable storage. Playback recorded events and add a SIM card to become a Wi-Fi hotspot. Surveil. Document your journey.
This is a Caso Trace 1 Pro Dual Dashcam with Wi-Fi to connect phone app and external GPS module to track your vehicle's speed, location, etc. Adopts dual Sony Starvis at front and inside lens, and 4 infrared LEDs at inside camera to get super clear night vision. Support dual recording 1080p 30, single recording 2K 30, front camera, 340 degrees viewing range to cover front and inside of car, reduce blind spots, more safe, built-in G sensor for locking the video when emergency. Also has parking monitor, loop recording, time display when screensaver, fatigue reminder when driving.